Thank you for tuning into a random radio station. Currently, it is about 12 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is snowing like crazy. The depth of the snow is about 2 feet deep, which means that travel is pretty much impossible. Make sure that you are staying warm and that you are taking precautions to ensure your safety. I would not recommend going outside for any reason because of the snow and cold temperatures. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Now I'm going to go get some hot cocoa and hang out with the boys until someone rages. Peace out.
Welcome back to a random radio station. We have some more updates about the snowstorm. The temperature has dropped to 5 degrees Fahrenheit, and the snowstorm is expected to last for a few days, or possibly a week if it continues. We are advising everyone to stay inside and to not go outside for any reason, as there is a high risk of hypothermia and possibly frostbite because of the snow and temperatures. Make sure all pets and children are inside, and also make sure to stay warm. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe.
The National Weather Service in St. Paul has issued a winter storm warning for all of St. Paul until Saturday 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a winter storm was raging all over St. Paul and is expected to last for a few days, or maybe a week if it continues. Hazard: low temperatures and a lot of snow. Source: Mother Nature. What else? Make sure to stay indoors and to refrain from traveling if possible. If traveling is necessary, I don't know what to tell you, just don't travel. I don't know what else to say, so I'm just going to end it here. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates as it becomes available.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the St. Paul Police Department. Many reports have came in about a strange creature roaming around the city. This creature can be identified by the following characteristics: it is a purple bear, it has mouse ears, and white eyes. The creature's intentions are unknown at this time. All residents are advised to stay indoors. If you see this creature, do not approach it. Instead, keep yourself at a safe distance from the creature. Stay tuned to the station for more information and updates as it becomes available.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the St. Paul Police Department and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Fatalities have been reported from the creature that was spotted 23 minutes ago. Also, there have been a few more creatures reported in the city. The creatures are identified by the following characteristics. The first one is a yellow bear, with white eyes and no arms. The second one is a black creature, with red crystals and white eyes. The third one is a tall creature with purple chestnut hair and sharp teeth. And the fourth one is a brown fox with red eyes in its stomach and head. All residents are strongly advised to stay indoors and to remain hidden from the public. It is also advised to shelter in place. If one of these creatures spots you, do not blink or look away from the creature, and back away calmly into a safe area before looking away. If you blink or look away from the creature, it will start moving towards you, putting your life at risk. So it is best to follow these instructions to ensure your safety. Stay tuned to the station for more information as the situation develops.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. About 5 minutes ago, the power has gone out all around St. Paul. The power outage is most likely caused by the severe snowstorm. This power outage, however, is making surviving the creatures more difficult. Make sure you have any source of light with you, and stay in a shelter of some sort to increase your chances of survival. Remember, if one of these creatures spots you, do not blink or look away from the creature and calmly back away into a safe area before looking away. Stay tuned to this station for more information and updates as it becomes available. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. The following message has been transmitted at the request of Homeland Security. The creatures have dropped several bombs in the city of St. Paul, and they are expected to explode in the next 5 hours. All residents are strongly advised to evacuate immediately. Grab all of your necessary supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, toiletries, phones, chargers, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. Take one car per family. Do not leave pets behind. Take them with you. Tie a white or bright-colored towel to your mailbox or doorknob. This will let authorities know that you have followed the evacuation procedures. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this life-threatening situation.
following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The creatures have started to roam around other parts of Minnesota, along with the snowstorm spreading to other cities. All residents in Minnesota are advised to prepare to shelter in place, as these creatures and the snowstorm are expected to spread to the rest of Minnesota in a few hours. Remember the steps to avoiding these creatures. If one spots you, do not blink or look away from the creature. Back away calmly into a safe area before looking away. Stay tuned to this station for more information and updates as it becomes available.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The creatures have suddenly vanished into thin air and none of them have been spotted anywhere. While the situation regarding the creatures has ended, stay in your shelters as the snowstorm is still at large and has not died down yet. The government thanks you for your cooperation during the situation. However, normal programming will still be ceased because of the power outage. Stay safe everyone.